myself Sayyid Umar from ECE department. Today I am here to speak you about my project which is based upon real-time applications of vehicle anti-theft detections and protection with shock using the facial recognitions and IoT notifications under the guidance of Sayyid Fasiuddin, Dr. Sohail Rana, Amina Tamkeen. Now coming to an introductions. Introductions it providing a high security to the vehicle to avoid the theft by using a facial recognitions with the help of data stored in the defaults program. As far as the vehicle security is concerned, many options are available depending upon the technologies being adopted, such as like an auto theft alarm and a device have been installed in the car, but they didn't prove to be a solution to a customer problem. So, the GSM based car vehicle security system is one of the possible technology solutions, and it is designed by the several groups to identify the car vehicle location upon getting it stolen. However, the issues in locking and unlocking and switching on and off the car engine upon losing the keyless remote of the car are untouched. It is a quite common that a person face many difficulties. Now coming to an abstract, enhancement in a vehicle technology system is getting popularity and adding a vehicle theft security system in order to avoid getting a vehicle's theft in the parking and sometimes driver in unsecured places. The proposed system provides security and a better theft control by using a facial recognitions and giving a shock treatment when the unauthorized person trying to start the ignition, and it will be notified by the IoT application. The system uses a microprocessor Raspberry Pi along with the Pi camera and a Wi-Fi control installed in the vehicle. The implement system is very simple with a great security for the vehicle anti-theft protection and a low cost techniques compared to others. Now coming to the proposed system. Proposed system provides enough security in terms of vehicle theft happening and the ignition is only controlled by facial recognition. Sensor is only used in the project to get the notification if the vehicle getting started. Sensor values is checked multiple times to make sure the vehicle is in the stand alone and upright position. Sensor values can be modified based on the tuning techniques. Proposed system having a cost efficiently and easy to be implemented in an existing vehicle. If an unauthorized users try to use a car, the system scans the person faces and checks whether the face matches with authorized person, and if it is does not match, the system denies and the buzzer will start and the proceed with the shock implementation and also proceed with the IoT notifications. Now coming to the block diagram, our main heart of the project is Raspberry Pi 3B Plus, and here we are using a power supply, Pi camera, ignition button, memory sensor, buzzer, door lock, shock, motor driver. Now coming to an hardware and a software tool. Power supply unit. Power supply unit which converts a main AC to the low voltages terminal regulated DC power, and it's allow a positive 5.1 volt micro supply and 2.5A power supply. The Raspberry Pi 3B Plus runs at 1.2 GHz. Now coming to a Raspberry Pi, this system works on the microcontrollers. In this system, it supports a wireless internet out of box with built-in a Wi-Fi and a Bluetooth. A Raspberry Pi exists with a series of small signal board components with 1.5 GHz, 64-bit quad-core processor, memory with 1 GB, and the power has a USB connector for 5.1 voltages under a 2.5 amps. It having a GPIO header 40 pin connections. It has a 4 USB 2.0 ports. It having a full size HDMI, and it will extend to a 40 pin GPIO header. Now coming to an Pi camera. It captures the various facial authorized and unauthorized person and accesses the information as a databases. The Pi camera support for an horizontal and a vertically subsampling and having a various effects such as in whiteboards, blackboards, film, blur, saturation, and etc. It is directly plugged into an CSI connector on the Raspberry Pi with fully compatible. It is an high quality megapixel Sony IMX219B sensor. It is used to take an HD videos as well as photographs, popular within home security applications and wildlife traps. Now coming to an lock system. The lock system of the vehicle grant to an access an authorized person. The lock system it allows the driver or a front passenger to simultaneously lock or unlock the door of an automobile or a truck. It is to fit it is a fit with an electronic locking system. Now coming to an MEMS sensor, micro electronic mechanical system. It is to measure the static oscillations of gravity resulting with a motion, shock or a vibrations. It is related with this micrometronics and a microsystem constitute constitute with the technologies of microscopic devices, particularly those with moving parts. They merge at a nanoscales with nano electronic mechanisms, system and nanotechnologies. Now coming to a DC motor, it is a rotary electrical machines that converts the current electrical energies to a mechanical energies. It provides by the physically behaviors of electromagnetism. It operates few at a 1.5 volts or up to 100 volts or the more. Now coming for a buttons. Here we are using a ignitions button to provide to starting the vehicles before any kind of an theft purposes and all. Coming to a software, here we are using a three software Python code, Python IDE, stimulator software Fritzing. Coming to an base paper publications detail, as we received a certificate of participations in ICCMC from a conference ICCMC, that is fourth international conference on computing methodologies and communications at at the conference date 11th to and 13th March 2020. Now coming to an acceptance paper details, as our paper has been accepted in a four, that is from first from an IRJET 14th February to 2020, second IASTEM 17th February 2K20, and third IJARCE 21 February 2K20, and a fourth ICCMC 29 February 2K20. Now coming to a result analysis, by observing all the outputs, this device is so helpful and provide maximum protections to the vehicle and avoid from being theft. The major function of the system is facial recognitions, which detects the face of authorized persons of the vehicle, and then the door will be open. If anyhow some unauthorized person will get in the vehicle and try to start the ignitions, he will affected by the shock which has been placed in the system. So by this major function our vehicle will be safe. There are also an IoT notification system which provide message to the owner of the vehicle. The message or notification like wherever vehicle is traveling, and if someone turned the vehicle at some height, the message will display to the phone through IoT. After all the efforts, there will be a chance of some feedback due to the different conditions and situations. Future scope and discussions. The project is great example of Raspberry Pi and a Pi camera with facial recognition system using a Python programming languages with real time under the specific images. And in this project, we will use a facial recognition of tracking of vehicle from the theft, and the future we will provide a shock and alarm system which will give to an authorized person to make it safer and secure from an unauthorized theft. In the future, they may can be provide the best solutions for any kind of stolen parts of the vehicle. Now coming to an conclusion, This system design and implementations of real-time protections and detections of vehicle with help of wireless communication, that is an IoT notifications. By doing this project, we will provide the implementations of anti-theft detections and also provide the solution for the theft kind of activities in the vehicle with the help of IoT notifications and give the best security to the authorized person. Thank you for watching the videos. Like, share and subscribe.